Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to have a look at some hidden secrets inside the radiator hose. You know, some lower radiator hose on some engines. This right here is a lower hose. As you can see, it's coming out of the radiator. On some engines, these lower hoses, they have hidden internal spring that prevent it from collapsing under the suction created by the water pump, especially at high engine speeds. Without this, on some very high performance engines, the hose could flatten, restricting coolant flow and causing the engine to overheat. So that is one secret. Some lower hose radiators, they have a spring internally. The other secret, look right here. This is a bypass passage. It's blocked now for this engine. They blocked it intentionally. It is coming from here and getting connected to that. See, this is a bypass. Many vehicles have a small bypass hose that lets coolant circulation through the engine before the thermostat opens. Right here is the thermostat. Thermostat is controlling coolant flow to the radiator. Now, if it is not opened, coolant circulation is facilitated by these lines. There is a hose coming from here and getting connected to right here. So this one will allow bypass. This secret little circuit will help the engine warm up faster, which improves fuel efficiency and reduce emission. The other secret, vibration absorption. These radiator hoses, they are made from a very thick, flexible rubber. The hose acts as a shock absorber. So nature of the hose, it allows to absorb shock, absorb any vibration. So they prevent the engine powerful vibration from transmitting to the radiator. Vibration will be absorbed right here. This can vibrate, but the radiator will remain vibration free. See, this will vibrate. This can vibrate when engine is working, but the radiator will be kept stationary. So this is a very special vibration absorption behavior of the radiator. They prevent the engine's powerful vibration from transmitting to the radiator, which is often bolted rigidly to the car frame. Radiators, they are fixed rigidly, so vibration is isolated by the rubbers. So these are some of the hidden secrets inside the radiator hose.